Heavy rain has come to Medjugorje. Look at this. On the evening of this 21st of October 2023. I have my umbrella with me, and let's go and check what's going on in town, and let's go to the evening mass here in Medjugorje, passing Hotel Sulic. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the videos on social media and with your friends. Make the beauty of Medjugorje known and take part in the ministry of showing Medjugorje and our Catholic beauty of the Catholic faith to the world. Look at that. You see how much it has rained. There is huge water here, and it's cold as well, cooling down. This is Medjugorje in autumn. A lot of rain, and in winter as well it will be like this, a lot of rain. Whoa, look at that. They get a shower over there. I try not to get the shower. And look the water here. This is amazing. And you see the quantity of water is coming down. Medjugorje in the rain today here. You see, let's see. I hope I can cover myself. Yes, it works. Thank God for the invention of the umbrella. You see, we can be grateful for a lot of things, small things, to have an umbrella here. This would have been a nice shower before going to Mass. And look here, you see people, and you see people going to Mass, and you see still high season, the buses are here, and there's another bus here. But rain has come a bit earlier. Normally it comes in November, beginning November. And another bus, you see, still high season in Medjugorje. The problem is now, the church is very small, and it will be filled up now. And you see the water which comes down. And if you want to watch testimonies, check in the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of testimonies there, English testimonies. Check it out. So you don't only have to scroll down, but also go into the playlists, yeah, and check testimonies English, Medjugorje. And look at the water. This is amazing. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, as I said, and give a like, and leave comments from where you're watching. I will pray now at Holy Mass for you in your known and unknown intentions. And we are coming to the main road here in Medjugorje. And there you have St. James Church. Let's look on the other side what's going on. And you can see the people outside, as the church can't contain all the pilgrims. 1st of November, the season is off and there won't be so many pilgrims, and in winter you have like 3/4 of the church filled, sometimes half.
Odoše farizeji i održaše vijeće kako da Isusa uhvate u riječ. Pošalju k njemu svoje učenike s Herodovcima da ga upitaju: Učitelju, znamo da si istinit, te po istini putu Božjem učiš, jer je dopušteno dati porez caru ili nije. Znajući njihovu opakost, reče Isus: Zašto me iskušavate, licemjeri? Pokažite mi porezni novac. Pružiše mu denar. On ih upita: Gdje je ovo slika i nas? Govore: